Hi crafters, this is Crafty Savvy and I'm back today to share what I've been working on. So I'm trying to get a few journals done so that I can show you guys. So what I'm working on are the journals that have those carpet sample covers that I'm making. So I hope to get those completed soon. I've pretty much put all the things together that I want to put inside of them ready to go. So I just kind of have to spend some time doing that. But while I was doing that, I took a little break and I decided to create some like ephemera and things that go inside my journal pockets. You guys may or may have not noticed inside my journals, I tend to make a lot of things or copy things out of vintage books or things that I've found at thrift shops or that sort of thing. I don't buy a lot of ephemera. I do some printing from Pinterest, and you know, there are a few shops and things that I like to get things from, but for the most part I try to keep my journals as I don't know how I should put it. I try to put as much of me into it as I can. So I've been watching a lot of videos and looking at my journals, and I don't know, I need a little more color. I need something else. I feel like something is missing sometimes. So what I decided to do was go through all of my paper pads, all my old paper pads that I don't really seem to be using anymore, and go through, and a lot of paper pads will have, you know, a few pages where you have those cutouts or things that, you know, you're able to cut apart. And so I went through a lot of paper pads, and that's what I did. I just one day took it upstairs and got in front of the TV and started cutting things out. So I ended up with quite a bag of things that I have found from paper pads. Sorry about the glare, but yeah, so I just did a lot of cutting, and I wanted just to add some lace trims and make tags out of things. And one of the other things that I used was, and I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video, I think I did, but at one of the last sales that I was at, I was fortunate enough to come across all of these bags that were used for when you purchase stamps. They come in these glassine bags, and yeah, I got a lot of them, and there's a lot of different sizes here, and boy did I have such fun playing with these. I got itty bitty ones, so and then they kind of really go up to like about 8.5 by 11 size. So I had great fun playing with those. So I just wanted to go through a few of the ones that I put together, and you guys are all doing this. This is nothing new, but I just thought maybe I would share how I was putting them together, and maybe it will inspire you to go through some of your own stash and put some embellishments together. My nails are extremely bright. They're like blinding me. It looked nice in the salon at the time, but I don't know, it's just not me. But anyhow, so sorry about that. It's a little distracting. So here's one of the samples. So what I did was I made a bunch of paper clips too. So that's a little paper clip. It's just with some paper and some bits and pieces. All I did, guys, was I literally went to my scrap bin where I put all my odds and ends, and I forced myself to only use what was in here. I tried not to go to any other supplies or anything like that. So my challenge for myself was use what's only in your scrap bin, use the pieces of ephemera that you got out of the paper pads, and other than some paper clips and buttons, I think that's basically it. So you can achieve nice you know, nice pieces with what you have. So, and then I use one of those glassine bags, and you don't have to do this, guys. You can make your own envelopes, and also you don't even need that. You could just build things up with the ephemera that you have. So I really just did some inking around the edges, and this is pretty much, you know, ready to go inside of our journal. It could be used as a pocket. It could be used, you know, inside of a pocket. So that just goes together like that. And I really love them. I had so much fun. I didn't even want to go to bed last night. I was just having so much fun. So here's something plain. I just cut out a piece of paper, attached a tab to it with some extra bits of fabric. That's another glassine bag there. This is an old vintage playing card that I had, and just attached some lace to it. And I put it in a bag, glassine bag, made a little pocket at the front, and just put some ephemera inside. That's just one large bag, and I attached a tag to it, so you could either put it in there if you'd like. I tried to find things that would fit actual embellishments, but I'll probably leave this one out. So that one's pretty simple. I'll probably also add something up there. Just another regular piece of ephemera with a little playing card on there. That's from a paper pad actually. And I just made a paper clip with some lace. Really, really simple, guys, but the effect is really nice in the end. This is a little glassine bag there with a tag inside. I attached another tag that matches in the front. I believe this is Tim Holtz paper. I'm not too sure, but we've all seen that paper, I believe. Put some ribbon on there, and I just made a little paper clip out of my scraps from my bin and attached it there. I love that one. And then I just made little tickets with things. That's a little doily and a button on there. Same thing here, just a piece of ephemera that I cut out and a couple of scrap pieces that I attached to a paper clip. You know, I literally spent, you know, about 5-10 minutes making each one, not even. That's just a little glassine bag there, and that tag would fit inside. This is just an old playing card. There's a little pocket here if you'd like to put something in there, but that's a little paper clip. And I just put it there. Love that. This is another glassine bag. Just put like a postcard in there. Attach some lace on the top. So the ephemera playing card in there. And another little piece there. I just attached some lace to it. Made a little pocket at the front. This is just a little glassine bag. Attach some ephemera on the front and put a ticket inside. These, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with these two yet, but these were the stamp bags that have a clear front. And I really like them. It's kind of neat, so I'm not too sure what I'll do with that. I'll probably glue, or glue this down to a page, and we'll see. I'll come up with something for those. I just have a couple of pieces that actually fit into these bags, so I don't know about that yet. And there's another playing card. I just stapled some pieces down, some fabric, put a button over the staple. Another little glassine bag with some ephemera and a little paper clip with some lace. This one here is a little, one of the envelope style ones, and inside I just put a piece of ephemera. And then on the front I just put this little card. Everything's plain at the back, so I figured you could, do your journaling on there if you'd like. And an altered paper clip that I made with a button. That's a vintage button. And that goes there. Let's see, what else? Another playing card. This is a paper clip. Oops, it goes this way. Just some pieces of ephemera on an old vintage playing card. That's another playing card. I just left that one plain. This is really cute too. This was a longer glassine bag, and I just folded it over on itself. So inside it, so then I actually got 2 pockets out of it. So inside the first pocket is a piece of ephemera, the little tag, that's a tuck spot. This is actually a little piece of paper that came out of one of these glassine bags, I guess when someone ordered stamps. So I thought that was really cute. I just left it in there. So that goes in there. And then on the back of it, I just put some ephemera in that little folded pocket back there. You can do some journaling on that piece there. Put that little card on the front, and paper clip goes there to hold everything together. It's a cute little package. This one is another glassine bag, just with a tag inside of it. This one doesn't want to come out. Anyhow, just a little piece of lace that I had in my bin, and the paper clip. I guess that's why it wouldn't come out, because it was clipped down there. Let's put some ephemera on there. And these are great too, because whoever gets the journal can use the ephemera within that journal or for their own journals. So it makes it kind of fun. I'm kind of liking the idea of not like gluing everything down all of the time. Gives some other options, you know. So that's another glassine bag. I just put some lace on there, some ephemera, an old button. That's just a little tag. This is another one of the envelopes. There's just some ephemera in there on both sides. And then I just glued this down. Some lace and a little flag. Actually, I think that, yeah, that's a paper clip. Actually, it comes off. So I'm glad to have made some things for my stash. I don't have to stop and make everything. There's another vintage playing card. Little tag in there. Another little glassine bag with some tickets inside. And I just glued down a button and some scraps. Just some ephemera in there. And a little tag. It's actually 2 tags stapled together. And then this is just the teeniest little glassine bag you ever saw. And inside there is another tag. And that's it, I think. And this is just another little glassine bag with some ephemera. I made a pocket on the front, little teeny tag there. That just goes in there. And I might have a couple more here. I don't know what I've shown. And this one, same thing. Everything's just kind of loose. Really cute ephemera in there. A little flag and a paper clip. And I just put that on there. And I think this is the last one. Another little bag. And some little tickets inside there. So I think that's it. So I just wanted to share those with you guys. Like I said, it's easy just to go through what you have already. You don't have to necessarily go out and purchase things. Use what you have because you know, you can really make pretty projects out of them and use them in your journals. So so that's it. I just wanted to share those with you guys. I hope you're all doing well, and let me know what you think about these little projects. You guys, take care. Bye-bye.